So what's up, America? Welcome back to another video on Vermonters. Today, how rude. Today we are going to be cleaning out the bunker. We've been needing to do this for a while now. The calves are going to be born pretty soon in April, so we're trying to get it cleaned out so they have a clean environment to go into. Basically, we're just cleaning out manure. So with all the manure, we're going to pile it up. It'll start composting. He says hay mixed in with it. We'll mix some more hay into it for the right ratios. Not perfect, but enough. So where it starts producing enough heat for the calves to stay a little bit warm during the colder months. It is Vermont, so in April it is still cold some days. I mean, most nights it only gets down to like 30. So today we're going to be using the Bobcat T62. Gotta go out there, through there, to the bunker. And then we have our little friend Thumper down here. What are you doing? I don't know if you guys can see, but the ground is just steaming. All up there, all across the field. The sun just came out, and it's knocking all the moisture out. I don't know, it's crazy. We moved all these gates over here, so this is like our new chute to get cattle into a trailer. Obviously, we gotta fill in some holes before we do that. Girls. Let's go, girls. Let's go, girls. Let's go, girls. Easy. Let's go, girls. Come on. Come on, girls. It's okay. Easy. Come on, girls. Easy. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Let's go. The cows can be very, very stubborn, but they kind of listen. What are you guys doing? Alright, it looks like all the cows are in here, and Eddie is coming right at me. What's up, Eddie? Oh, he has no interest in me. He likes the skid steer. Oh, you guys all like the skid steer. Come on, girls. Hey, easy. Alright, cool. So now that this is clear, I don't know how much, I'm not sure how much I can get out of here. I'm not sure what's frozen. Hopefully I can get everything. The feeders are in the way, so I'm just gonna go around them for now. Then we'll move them out of the way. But yeah, there's a lot of manure in here. took the feeder off of there. You might say, wow, you're just gonna waste all that hay, but it's not wasting. It goes right back on the fields. It's a great carbon source for the compost too. So I'm gonna finish cleaning this out, and I'll pile all the manure I pile on the wall back here. Be good. Taking a lot longer than I thought it would take. There's a lot of stuff in here. And there's a lot more hay than I thought too. I thought it was mostly manure, but I guess not. So, but yeah, it's just stacking. I got this whole entire thing right here. Not even half of it. The ladies are chilling over here. Yeah, it's the other half. How do you guys like your new area? It's so clean. It's all concrete now. Got all the manure and hay piled up on this huge pile. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty good sized drop. It's probably, I don't know, that's my hand. I don't know, it's probably like a 6 foot drop, 5 foot. It's not that big, but I'm gonna jump over there. Ready? Ugh, okay. It's pretty high. Pretty good. What's up, girls? So I gotta put this bale ring back and then power wash the skid steer. Oh geez, what are you doing over there? Get away from that thing.
Get in there too.
Oh no, don't worry, we will. Do you shut all the windows? Hey, hey, I'm talking to you. No, please don't. So what's going on?
Mud season. Mud season is spooky.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in probably like 2 weeks. The bunker is really fun cleaning out. I smell so bad. The next big project is prepping for the concrete for the new building. So the 120 by 50 foot steel structure that's going up. We gotta prep everything. We gotta dig trenches for the forms. We gotta compact all the rock for like the slab inside. So there's a lot of excavation that needs to be done. This summer is gonna be pretty fun. A lot of haying content. A lot of animal calving is coming really soon, so maybe even by the next time I post a video, 2 weeks, we'll be calving, which would be awesome. One other thing, I never say this in any of my videos, but if you guys want to help support the channel, then please consider subscribing, because it really helps us out, like, a lot. The goal this year is to get to 1,000 subscribers. If you want to show your support, you can. A lot of good videos come up, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in probably 2 weeks.